Okay, dear students, now let us see double angles and triple angles of trigonometric functions or trigonometric ratios. Okay, earlier we have seen sin a plus b, cos a plus b, sin a minus b, cos a minus b, tan a plus b, tan a minus b, cot a plus b, cot a minus b. Okay, all those results are formulae you have to by heart. Why? Because every time we cannot what we can say deduce those formulae in your examinations, or else you are going to waste of your time. Okay, all those formulae you have to by heart. Now also multiple angles, or we can say double angle and triple angles of sine 2 theta, cos 2 theta, tan 2 theta, and cos 3 theta, sin 3 theta, cos 3 theta, tan 3 theta, like that we will see. Okay, one by one what are there. But these are also all you have to by heart. Trigonometric formulae or ratios or whatever it may be, values, all you have to by heart for your all. These will be applicable for trigonometry, geometry, calculus, somewhere else also. Okay, now let us see double angles and triple angles of trigonometric ratios. First we will see double angles, that means cos 2a, sin 2a, like that we will see. Let us see sin 2a. First we will see sin 2a, what are there. Okay, sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a, that is equal to 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Yes, okay. Now let us prove this. See, for sin, three results are there. Three results are there for sin, or else we can say double angle of sin is having two results. Okay, sin 2a is having two results, 2 sin a cos a, 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Let us prove this one. Okay, how I am converting this, you carefully observe. Sin 2a, you take like this, sin of a plus a, sin of a plus a, sin 2a, a plus a 2a, sin 2a. Okay, now sin a plus b formula we know, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Write down sin a cos b, here b is a only, plus cos a sin b. If you observe carefully, both are sin a cos a, sin a cos a, sin a cos a. Okay, now what I am going to do, 2 sin a cos a I am going to write, 2 sin a cos a. Is it okay? Sin of a plus a, sin a cos a plus cos a sin a. Why? Because sin a plus b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. See, all our formulae are interrelated. See, if you don't know this formula, you cannot get this one. That is why all you have to by heart. Okay, 2 sin a cos a has come. Okay, now you got your one result here, sin 2a result you have got this one, LHS is equal to RHS, like that. Okay, now we have to prove this one also, 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. How I am proving, you observe carefully. Again I am writing 2 sin a cos a by 1. Is it going to change any value? I am going to divide it with 1. Is it not going to change any value? Why? Because we can divide it with 1. But rather than 1, again I am telling you, sin square a plus cos square a. Again, are you going to change the value? No. Why? Because sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Okay. Then divide it by 1 we are changing. There is no change of value. Okay, now what I am going to do, implies divided by cos square a. Numerator and denominator. See, division of something you are doing means if equal to is there, both side you have to do. Or one side only you are doing means numerator and denominator both you have to do. Okay, numerator and denominator I am doing. What will happen? You see, divided by cos square a. Okay, now you write like this: 2 sin a cos a by cos square a means cos a shall I write? Whole divided by cos square a by cos square a plus sin square a by cos square a. See, 2 sin a cos a by cos square a. Cos square a means cos a into cos a I have made. Again, cos, now I taken cos square a plus sin square a. Cos square a by cos square a, sin square a by cos square a. Okay, why? Because 1 plus tan square a I want to receive. Okay, you see now, see, cos a going to get cancelled. Then 2 sin a by cos a, tan a. 2 tan a divided by cos by cos 1. Cos square by cos square 1. Sin square by cos square a, tan square a. Okay, now you received both results. Or see, double angle of sine is 2 or 3, you can say. Why? Because the sine 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a, that is equal to 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. In your question, in your problem, you can convert these accordingly. Okay, based on the situation, you can take, rather than sin 2a, you can take sin 2a cos a, 2 sin a cos a, or else 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a also you can take. Okay, this is the story of double angle of sin theta. Let us see double angle of cos theta also. Let us see cos 2a, double angle of cos. Double angle of cos. Cos means cos 2a. See, these we have to prove. See, sin only 3 were there, but cos 5 are there. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But you can replace any one. 5 double angles are there. That means equivalent. Double angle means, see, equivalence of double angle. Okay, equivalence means double angle only. That's all. But directly here you can say this is double angle. But by seeing this, you cannot say double angle, but equivalent of this value. 5 values are there. You see, cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a, that is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1, that is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a, that is equal to 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. Okay, see, in terms of cos and sin are there, only one is there in terms of tan. Earlier also, sin 2a, 2 sin a cos a in terms of sin and cos, but last one is 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a, that is in terms of tan. Now let us see one by one cos also. Okay, cos also we know the formula. Cos 2a is equal to, shall I write like this, cos of a plus a. A plus a is 2a, cos 2a, and cos formula, cos a plus b, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Yes, write down cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Why I have written b as a? Why? Because here in b place a is there. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Okay, like that it will be. Okay, now you see what is this, cos into cos, cos square a, minus sin into sin, sin square a. Okay, have you received this one? You see cos square a minus sin square a, you received this one. Okay, one we have proved. Okay, now before going to prove these two, just analyze another one. Which one? Earlier we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That means if I want sin square theta, 1 minus cos square theta. If I want cos square theta, 1 minus sin square theta. Is it correct? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta is equal to, I am sending cos theta that side, cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta. If I want cos square theta, I am going to send this sin square theta that side. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. This results, this is formula. These are only changing of this formula. That's all. Okay. These are not formula. This is formula. Okay. Okay. Now you see, sin square theta or sin square a both are same. Sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos square a. Now you come here. Again I am writing, you see, cos square a minus sin square a is equal to, once I will change cos square a. Cos square a means what? 1 minus sin square a. 1 minus sin square a minus this sin square a, again you write sin square a. Now you tell me, see, I have changed only cos square a as 1 minus sin square a, but this minus sin square a same is there. 1 minus sin square a minus sin square a minus 2 sin square a. 1 minus 2 sin square a. Okay, you put underline. See this one, 1 minus 2 sin square a. That means we have proved this, this we have to prove now. Now what I am doing, the same formula again I am writing, but now I am changing sin square a. Okay, or else you can change this also. You write that one, 1 minus 2 sin square a is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. What I am going to write? 1 minus cos square a. 1 minus cos square a. Okay? Okay. That is equal to, see, now 2 into, that means minus 2, 1 minus 2 plus 2, minus 2 into minus plus 2 cos square a. 2 cos square a. Okay. Now I am going to remove these results. These are not required. Okay. Now you see, 1 minus 2 minus 1. See, minus 2 minus plus 1 minus 1. 2 cos square a minus 1. You write 2 cos square a minus 1. Why? Because 2 cos square a plus is there, but here minus 2 plus 1. Minus 1 only will come. That means 2 cos square a minus 1. This one also we have proved. Okay, 2 cos square a minus 1. That also we have proved. Okay, now final one, this one is there. 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. Okay. For proving that, again you write this one, cos square a minus sin square a. Same earlier what we have done, same thing you have to do. Okay. See, cos square a minus sin square a. What I am going to do, divide it by 1 I am doing. Is it going to change the value? No. Then rather than 1, I am going to change like this, cos square a plus sin square a. Are you going to change any value? No. Then again what I am going to do, I am going to divide it by cos square a. Cos square a by cos square a. Both numerator and denominator I am going to do. Okay. Now result is going to change. You see, cos square a by cos square a minus sin square a by cos square a whole divided by cos square a by cos square a again plus sin square a by cos square a. Okay, equal to, I am writing here, equal to, okay, see, cos square by cos square 1 minus sin square by cos square tan square a by cos square by cos square 1 plus sin square by cos square tan square a. You understand now? 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. Okay, that means we have received all 6. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 all we have proved. Okay, note down and you have to by heart also. Okay, see, these proof they may not ask in examination. For your understanding sake, I have drawn this one. but these you have to by heart. Okay, now let us go for tan 2a. Tan 2a, tan 2a only one is there, that also we will see. This also we have to prove. Okay, for all these, proving all these results, you know the formula for tan of a plus b, sin of a plus b, cos of a plus b, or else you are not able to achieve this. Okay, now again I am writing, you see, tan of a plus a, is it okay? Tan 2a, tan 2a, a plus a, tan a plus b, tan a plus tan b, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b, 1 minus tan a tan b. Why? Because here tan a tan b both are tan a only. Okay, tan a plus tan a, 2 tan a by 1 minus tan a into tan a, tan square a, 1 minus tan square a. You understand, na? 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a, 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Now we have proved all. We go up to tan only, sin, cos, tan. Okay, we have proved all three results. Double angles all we have completed. We will go for triple angles now. Okay, triple angles also we will go, and we will see one by one, sin, cos, tan and all. See, in triple angles, first one sin 3a, here triple means 3a, 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. See, before proceeding, you observe here sign is there, sin, all sign is there. Okay, if rather than sin any cos or something comes, means you have to convert into sin, then only final result is going to come in terms of sin. So that you have to keep in your mind. Okay, let us see sin 3a. First you write sin 3a. How to convert the sin 3a? You see, sin of 2a plus a, is it okay? 2a plus a, 3a, sin of 3a. Okay, now this is a, this is b, like you have to take sin a plus b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Is it okay? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay, again you write sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a. See, sin 2a, rather than tan, only one is there in terms of sin and cos. Tan you don't take here. Why? Because you take for in cos form and again you convert it into sin form. Okay, sin 2a you take 2 sin a cos a again into cos a. Okay, this is 2 sin a cos a into cos a. Cos 2a, you see, cos 2a in terms of sin, what is there? Cos 2a, 5 results are there. 1 tan, leave the tan. 4 results are there. Among 4 results, cos square a minus sin square a is there, that don't take. 1 minus 2 sin square a is there, that you take. Another one, 2 cos square a minus a 1 is there, but that you don't take. Why? Because you want it in the form of sin. That is why 1 minus 2 sin square a, you take 1 minus 2 sin square a into sin a. Okay? Okay. Now you write this one, 2 cos square a sin a. Is it okay? Why? Because cos square a, 2 sin a. Okay, now you see here, you have to multiply with sin a minus 2 sin cube a, sin square a into sin a, sin cube a. Is it okay? Okay. Now again, I told already, sin has to come, means this cos square you have to convert into sin. Cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a, sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos square a. Simply 2 sin a you write, cos square a 1 minus sin square a plus sin a minus 2 sin cube a. Okay, like that you have to write. Okay, now you send this inside, 2 sin a minus 2 sin into sin square sin cube plus sin a minus 2 sine cube a. Okay. Now finally you conclude. Why? Because you see 2 sine a plus sine a are going to become 3 sine a. Okay, this one and this one. 2 sine a plus sine a, 3 sine a. Minus 2 sine cube minus 2 sine cube minus 4 sine cube. Yeah. Now you see, is it the RHS? 3 sine a, 3 sine a, minus 4 sine cube a, 4 sine cube a. Okay. LHS is equal to RHS. We came from LHS and we received RHS. Okay. See, triple angle 1 only. For double angle cos 5, for sine 3, tan only 1. Triple angle sine is also 1, cos is also 1, tan is also 1. Okay. Sine 3a is only this formula. 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. This you note down. We go for cos 3a. Okay. Now you see cos 3a, triple angle of cos. I have not rubbed this one. Why? Because you compare both of this. See here 4 sine cube is there. Here 4 cos cube has come. That means see for sine, for cos will come. That you know. 4 sine cube a minus was there, but here 4 cos cube a plus is there. 3 sine a plus was there, here 3 cos a minus is there. You have to reverse. Okay. See, by comparing also you can memorize some formula. That is why I have written like that. Okay. Now you go for expansion. Cos 3a proof. Okay. Now you see cos 3a is equal to, how can you write? Cos of 2a plus a. Is it okay? 2a plus a, 3a. Okay. Cos of a plus b, cos a cos b minus sin b. Okay. Right. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Okay. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Okay. Now cos 2a, what you can write? See, cos 2a before expanding, you see what has to come for cos. All cos have to come. Cos 2a in terms of cos is 2 cos square a minus 1. Yes, you have to take that one. 2 cos square a minus 1 into cos a. Okay, minus sin 2a. Sin 2a you don't have anything. Rather than tan, you have only one. 2 sin a cos a. That's all. You write that one only. 2 sin a cos a into sin a. Okay. No other option, but afterwards you convert. Okay. Now cos a efficient inside 2 cos cube a. 2 cos cube a minus cos a. Is it okay? Okay. Now sin a into 2 sin a cos a. See, I am going to what we can say. Yeah, direct only it is there. Minus 2 cos a sin square a. Okay, minus 2 sin a cos a means sin square a. Okay. Now you convert these. Again, here cos okay, but here sin is there. Sin you have to convert again. 2 cos cube a minus cos a minus 2 cos a sin square a 1 minus cos square a. Okay. Like that you have to keep. Okay. Again you send 2 cos cube a minus cos a. Send cos a inside. Minus 2 cos a first. Okay. Minus 2 cos a minus plus 2 cos a into cos square a cos cube a. Is it okay? Okay. Okay. Now see, plus 2 cos cube a plus 2 cos cube a plus 4 cos cube a. Minus cos a minus 2 cos a minus 3 cos a. Is this the RHS? You see 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Okay. These also you have to remember. Okay. Now we go for tan 3a. Okay. Let us see triple angle tan 3a. This is last one. Okay. Afterwards we will go for conversion of multiple angle addition to multiplication of angles. Okay. Now let us see tan 3a. Tan 3a means triple angle of tan. Triple angle of sine we have seen. Triple angle of cos also we have seen. Now triple angle of tan we will see. Tan 3a is equal to 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. This we have to prove. Okay. Let us take one by one. Now first you take tan 3a is equal to tan 2a plus a. Okay. Tan of 2a plus a is equal to what we know, tan of a plus b, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Write down tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Is it okay? In terms of see tan 2a, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b I have written. Okay. Again tan 2a you know. Tan 2a earlier only we have seen. Tan 2a means 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Okay. This we have seen. Plus tan a. This one. Okay. Whole divided by 1 minus tan 2a. Again same you write 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. See this into is there. Here plus is there. That is why separately you have written. This you can take like this. Divided by 1. But into is there. Into means here only you have to write tan a. Okay. Now you can say this like this. 2 tan a into tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Tan 2a we have derived and tan a we have to multiply. Always multiplication with the numerator only we do. Okay. Now here also you take like this. Okay. Now you change how? Cross multiplication. 2 tan a. Yeah, 2 tan a. Plus, yes, plus tan a. Again minus tan square into tan cube a minus. Okay. Division 1 minus tan square a into 1 minus tan square a. Is it okay? Okay. Now again do this cross multiplication. 1 minus tan square a minus 2 tan square a. You see 2 tan a into tan a, 2 tan square a. 2 tan square a divided by 1 minus tan square a into 1 minus tan square a. Okay. Now if you observe numerator, denominator of both are having 1 minus tan square a, you can get cancelled. Okay. That we need not write again. We write only numerators. Numerators you see, if you compare, if you observe 2 tan a plus tan a, 3 tan a. Write down 3 tan a minus tan cube a, keep it like that only. Okay. Now you see 1 minus, okay, 1 minus, see tan square a, 2 tan square a. See minus tan square a, minus 2 tan square a, minus 3 tan square a, minus 3 tan square a. Okay. Is this the RHS you see? 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. Okay. Now we finished all triple angles also. Double angles we finished, triple angles also we finished. We go for another concept which is conversion of trigonometric angles from addition to multiplication. Only for sine cos only, or conversion of sine cos from addition to multiplication, like that we will understand. Okay. Now you see conversion of angles from addition to multiplication. How it is there and how you have to understand, how you have to take this concept, you observe carefully. Why? Because see one by one we go. First we take sine a plus b, sine a minus b. Okay, I am going to write sine a plus b, sine a minus b. Carefully observe. Sine of a plus b is equal to sine a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay. This was there. Okay, now again I am writing sine of a minus b. Sine of a minus b is equal to sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. Okay. Now you see here, both addition is there. See, this is also addition only. A plus minus b. If you add, then a minus b only will come. You take these, both are like addition only. Sin a plus b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Here, all addition subtraction like that only are there, but there is no multiplication like one single unit. Multiplication means single unit will come. Okay. What I am going to do now, I am adding these two. Sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. You see what result is going to come. You observe carefully. Sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b is equal to. That means I am adding these both plus. Okay. If you add automatically sin a cos b, sin a cos b, 2 sin a cos b will come. 2 sin a cos b. Now you come for here. See, if you add plus minus, what will come? Same value, plus 1 minus 1. If you add, 0 will come. That is why this will not come for result. These two are going to get cancelled. Okay, that means sin a plus b plus sin a minus b going to give 2 sin a cos b. Now also we can understand from addition to multiplication we have done. Here addition is there. A plus b, a minus b addition we are doing, but finally multiplication has come. Here also you have made addition, but there is no multiplication like sin a plus b result has come. Addition here also you have made, but this is not a multiplication. But this is multiplication, you can say. 2 sin a cos b, 2 into sin a into cos b. This is multiplication. Addition to multiplication conversion we have done. Like that you have to understand concept. Okay. Okay. Now we can also subtract sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. That also we will do. Let us do that one. Sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. Minus. That means subtraction we are doing. Subtraction if you do sin a cos b minus sin a cos b, going to get the result 0. Okay. Both are same. 1 minus 1, 0. Like that sin a cos b minus sin a cos b, 0. But here if you observe cos a sin b minus of minus cos a sin b. Okay. See, 1 minus minus 1 is equal to 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2 will come. 1 minus of minus 1. This is minus 1. This is plus 1. And we are doing minus. Minus. Minus means 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. That means this you have to write 2 cos a sin b. You understand, na? These two results are very important. You note down. We go for cos. First you note down these two results. Okay. Okay. Now here also we have converted from addition or subtraction. See, subtraction is also addition only. Addition to multiplication. Here both sin a cos b will come. Here here sin a cos b will come. Here cos a sin b will come. Okay. Okay. Now we go for cos also. Cos of a plus b. We write cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Okay, you understand, na? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b for cos. Okay, again cos of a minus b. Here plus will come. Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Okay. Cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos of a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Okay. Now what I am doing, I am going to add first these two. Okay. Let me add cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. I am adding both. See, cos a cos b both positive are there. If you add automatically 2 cos a cos b will come. 2 cos a cos b. If you add plus 1 minus 1, 0 will come, that you don't write. Okay, sin A sin B minus is there, sin A sin B plus is there. If you add both of these are going to become 0. Okay, now also you see here addition we have made, but multiplication has come, 2 cos A cos B. You see all are different. You see here sin A cos B, cos A sin B. Cos A has come, sin B has come. Angle A and B both are different. Okay, see here cos A cos B has come. Cos A is there, but sin B here, cos B. All are different angles are coming, that you have to observe carefully. Okay, now cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B, write down. Sorry, cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B. Minus we are doing. Okay, minus if you do here, you see both are plus 1 minus 1 are going to get cancelled. Okay, but here carefully you observe. Earlier it was positive, minus of minus was there, that is why 2 has come, but here minus is there, again minus is coming. Minus 1 minus of plus 1 minus 2, that you have to keep in mind. That means minus 2 sin A sin B. Except this remaining all are positive, but this only negative will come. Cos A plus B minus cos A minus B is going to give negative 2 sin A sin B. Then how to convert this negative into positive? Okay, simply you send this negative symbol to this side, then this cos A minus B will become positive and cos A plus B will become negative. That means cos A minus B plus cos A minus B minus cos A plus B is equal to plus 2 sin A sin B will come. Okay, like that also you can convert afterwards. You take these 4 results. What I am going to do, these two results, what are there in box? These results I am going to use for another conversion. Why? Because some more conversion is there. Now AB only come, CD also will come, CD. Okay, I am going to convert it again like a multiplication addition only. Okay, here also you see multiplication addition is there, like that again I am going to make multiplication addition values only. But these 4 I don't want. Now these 4 old formula only, these 2 are old, these only now has come. Okay, with these 4 boxed one I am going to change another 4 formulae. How I am going to change, you observe carefully. These 2 results I have transferred to top. Now I am going to remove all these. Okay, these I don't require. Now 4 results are there. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B is equal to 2 cos A cos B. Cos A plus B minus cos A minus B is equal to minus 2 sin A sin B. And these also. Okay. Now what I am doing, you simply observe carefully. Some analogy we are making. What I am taking A plus B as C. A plus B is equal to C. I am taking A minus B as D. A minus B is equal to D. Okay, I want to replace those. But you see, if I add C plus D, A plus A, 2A will come. B minus plus B minus B going to get cancelled. That means C plus D is equal to 2A. Okay, A is equal to C plus D by 2. Okay, that you have to keep in your mind. Again, I am going to change C minus D also. You see, again I am writing A plus B is equal to C, A minus B is equal to D, C minus D is equal to, you see now B minus of minus B plus B, 2B will come. A minus A, 0. Okay, now B is equal to C minus D by 2. Okay, now I am putting see, A plus B is equal to C, A plus D, B minus D is equal to 2. That one I am going to take, this I am going to take, this I am going to take. These 4 results I am going to take. You see carefully, if you observe here, A plus B is there. Rather than A plus B, I am going to write C. A minus B, I am going to write D. A, I am going to write C plus D by 2. B, I am going to write C minus D by 2. That's all. There is no new formula. You are just simply replacing these numbers, these values here. These are not values, these are replacement of letters. Replacement of letters only. Replacement of letters in this. Okay. Let us replace. Those are also you have to remember. Okay. Okay. Now start one by one. First one you take cos of A plus B means C. Cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 cos A means C plus D by 2. C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Okay. This is first one over. Now second one, this one, cos of A plus B. Cos C minus cos D is equal to minus 2 sin A means C plus D by 2 sin B means C minus D by 2. Okay. That is second one. Third one you see sin of A plus B, sin A plus B means C. Sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Okay? Okay. Now go for last one, fourth one. Sin C minus sin D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Okay? See, these 4 along with these 4, these also you take. But these 4 easily you can achieve by changing this. By seeing this, you can say A plus B, you say C, then A is equal to C plus D by 2, B is equal to C minus D by 2. A minus B you have to take as D. Okay? Like this you can convert. What we do, we stop here in this class. We go for 3.3 exercise in the next video, next class. Thank you very much.